Let's begin our study with the Proximal Convoluted Tubule or PCT. This will be a relatively short but crucial overview of the PCT and its role in reabsorbing glucose. Here is a nephron tubule, as you can see. The PCT is the most physiologically active part of the nephron tubule. Our body needs energy, and for the brain, the most vital molecule is glucose. Therefore, we cannot afford to lose all the glucose. We need to preserve most of the glucose absorbed from the intestine. Normally, about 65% of the filtered load of sodium and water and a slightly lower percentage of filtered chloride are reabsorbed by the proximal tubule before the filtrate reaches the loop of Henle. These percentages can be adjusted under different physiological conditions. Because the body aims to be cost-effective in terms of energy, it employs multiple techniques to achieve this. For instance, it uses channels that facilitate the reabsorption of several different molecules. One of these channels that help with the transport of sodium and glucose is called the sodium-glucose cotransporter, also known as SGLT, which comes in several types. Those ones that we deal with in nephron tubules are two types, SGLT1 and SGLT2. These channels are located on the brush border, right here, of proximal tubule cells and carry glucose into the cell cytoplasm against the concentration gradient. The concentration of glucose is already very high inside the body, this side, the tubular cells, compared to inside the lumen, because we constantly try to preserve the glucose we intake from the food and prevent it from being wasted after filtration. As a matter of fact, approximately 90% of the filtered glucose is reabsorbed by the SGLT2 and not SGLT1, which is funny, by the way. In the early part of the proximal tubule, S1 segment, while the remaining 10% is transported by SGLT1 in the latter segments of the proximal tubule. Let's keep it short for this video. So this SGLT2 right here is a cotransporter, as we said, and has basically this capability to transport both sodium and glucose, as you can see here, together at the same time. And it's, like I said before, it's pretty crucial for the body to have this mechanism. All right, let's wrap it up. I'll see you in the next video tutorial. Thanks for watching.